Easy Polish with Dorota Cooper. Absolutely necessary Polish phrases to sound like a Polish native. Informal greetings, part 2. Here are 3 timeless greetings that you can use to say hi in Polish in most informal situations. Cześć. Hello. This is your standard informal Polish greeting. Cześć is usually compared to the English hello, though the conventions around its use are somehow more rigid. It's not acceptable to say cześć to your professor or the cashier at the local supermarket. Other than that, it's the safest way to say hello in Polish in most informal situations. Use cześć to greet family members, friends, work colleagues, and fellow students, your peers, mostly among young people, any person you are on familiar terms with. Cześć is unique in that it's not just a greeting, it can also be used to say bye when parting ways. Hey, hey is quite surprisingly very similar to English hi. It isn't used half as often as cześć, but it's usually a safe choice if you are looking for a different way to casually say hi in Polish. Usage notes. Use hey in informal contexts when you feel like you need something more relaxed than the usual cześć. Siema, howdy, what's up? This very informal greeting could be considered slang, though it's not particularly edgy or vulgar. You can hear it used both among teenagers and older people who want to come off as friendly or laid back. Because of these connotations, you should only use it with a good buddies. Saying Shema to your grandma might get you into trouble. Shema is actually a contraction of Jak się masz, how do you do, which is why it is sometimes compared to howdy. Usage notes. Use Shema to greet your buddies in a laid-back way, especially among young people. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.